Hi, so I attended Sophia's Neuroscience of Dance workshops last lockdown in 2020. I have a background mostly in belly dance. I definitely do not have a background in science or neuroscience. So I went to this workshop because I thought it would be fascinating to learn about the science behind dance and really to learn more about the powers that dance could have. And what actually goes on in our body and in our minds when we dance. It's such a unique activity to do, and it seems to engage so many different parts of our brain at once, as well as our emotion, our feeling, our creativity and passion all at the same time. So in Sophia's workshops on the neuroscience of dance, we learn about the different parts of the brain and how they work, particularly when we're dancing. We learn about memory, and we also learn about the different ways that different people can actually learn how to dance, depending on actually just how their brain works. So this was really interesting because I think for me it shone a light on the fact that there is no right or wrong way to learn how to dance, and that's really important for inclusivity and for diversity. So whether you know, I'm teaching beginners how to belly dance, or I'm in the studio and I'm learning myself, it's sort of reminding me that actually we need to be compassionate with ourselves and with other people when we are learning how to dance or teaching dance, and just appreciating that different people will absorb information in different ways. So, you know, some people, for example, might prefer to just listen to the music and maybe watch a move 5 or 6 times before trying, whereas for other people they might want to dive straight in and actually start getting into the movement and start dancing right there and then. So yeah, I think that it's really important to learn about the different ways that people can learn if you want to be a teacher that is more inclusive, and not just teaching one way, and just appreciate that we're all different. And the other thing that we learned about in the workshop was how emotion can impact the brain, and particularly in memory, and this can actually impact the way that we learn how to dance, which I thought was really fascinating, and just sort of hammered home the message that actually dance is an emotional art form, and this is really important, kind of above and beyond technique. So after the workshop, I think I probably just had more questions really about the neuroscience of dance, and just potential for learning more about this amazing art form and what it can do for us and for society as well. So, for example, you know, what potential is there for dance to scientifically heal trauma by developing new pathways in the brain? You know, what potential is there in dance to be able to articulate emotion in a unique way by the fact that we are using all of these different parts of our brain together in one go? It really is a unique art form. And what potential is there for dance to kind of break down barriers between the people who are neurodiverse and learn information in different ways? How can we use dance as an art form to make spaces more inclusive, to bring different people together? So I would say definitely attend a neuroscience of dance workshop. You do not have to be a scientist, you don't even have to be a professional dancer. If you're just fascinated about learning how the brain might work and how this can impact you on your dance journey, or even just help to express emotion and connect with other people, then you should definitely attend. Thank you so much for a beautiful workshop. Really helped me to get deeper into my dance practice. understanding and appreciating the complexities of our art form with new light, learning how to learn and adapt, and how to teach in a more inclusive way, and the scientific power of being guided by our emotions and imagination in dance, above and beyond technique. I'd highly recommend this workshop to anyone interested in understanding the beauty and science behind dance. And like me, no need for a scientific background to attend.